What is up, you guys? Welcome back to our class. This is your Pharmacy Informatics week number 6. And for today's video, we'll be dealing with the application of computer in Pharmacy Informatics. With no further ado, let's proceed. We all know that computers and mobile devices plays a big factor on our daily life, making work within our reach faster and better. Today, we'll be dealing with the application of computer in Pharmacy Informatics. But first, let's have this question. What is the use of computer in pharmacy? The computers are mainly for information of drug data, records, and files. Another one would be for drug management, wherein we can create, modify, add, or delete data in patient files to generate reports. And for the last one, the computer is mainly for business details. So those are the uses of computer in pharmacy. In the field of pharmacy, there are many operations like drug discovery. Another one would be drug design analysis, manufacturing of drugs, and in hospital pharmacy, from which computers plays a big role in receiving the details of the data, storing and receiving it, and mainly disseminating the information, which shows its effectivity in the field of pharmacy. And yeah, we're talking about drug information dissemination. And for the main point of this video, we'll be dealing with the 5 common applications of computer in pharmacy. Now, let us have the first common application of computers in pharmacy. First common application is the usage of computers in retail pharmacy, wherein the use of computer is very important in providing a receipt for the patient, recording transaction of money, recalling cash records, estimation of profits and financial rational analysis, daily, weekly, monthly records of prescription handles. Ito yung uso ngayon na dapat ginagawa ng mga retail pharmacy, yung electronic prescription records. We also have printing of billing and payment details, and the most important for inventory control purposes. When we're talking about inventory control purposes, whenever the drugs or medicaments are added to the stock or else removed from stock, the position of stock gets updated instantaneously. It also helps us in ordering low quantity of products. Yun yung nag-order na tayo through online transaction. So that's the first common application of computer in pharmacy. Let's have the second one. The second one is the use of computers in hospital pharmacy, like receiving and allotment of drugs, storing the details of every individual, measuring the stock level of supplies, and recalling records of dispensed drugs to inpatient and outpatient. And also, information of patient's records, and very important ito sa patient monitoring. Tandaan nyo, sa patient records, nandito nakarecord yung background information ng ating pasyente. At sa patient monitoring naman, dito makikita yung record like blood pressure, pulse rate, temperature, and yung iba pa. Another common application of your computer in pharmacy is for information system in pharmaceutical industry. Information system is the system which combines information technology with public, which is very desirable and useful to them. Advances in computer technology leads to structured analysis and management of biological information, which is helpful for exploring biological processes. Ito ay magre-resulta sa more enriched healthcare. Since we are talking about life processes, we also have adverse drug event control in your information system. But the question here is, what is adverse drug event? Your adverse drug event is also known as your ADE. An adverse drug event is an injury resulting from taking in drugs for medical intervention. This includes medication errors, adverse drug reactions, allergic reactions, and overdoses. Remember that ADEs can happen anywhere, like in hospitals, long-term care settings, and outpatient settings. And when we're talking about ADE control, there is an enhancement of ADE. But how? Post-marketing adverse drug events are reported to pharmaceutical industries or other health-related government agencies like FDA or DOH, which is helpful for analyzing drug events. Now let's proceed to our second to the last common application of computer in pharmacy. Our second to the last common application is known as computer-aided learning. Computer-aided learning is important as computer gives access to student pharmacists in learning pharmacy education. We have online videos like we have right now. Remember that these presentations are easily retrievable and can be used many numbers of times, which will help learners learn more effectively. And that's our second to the last common application. Now let's proceed to our last common application of computer in pharmacy. The last common application that I will be giving you guys is all about digital libraries. Digital libraries is somewhat related to computer-aided learning, but its approach is highly recommended to research, wherein you are able to read updated journals online, and this helps us in improving high-quality publication. Please do remember that computers help scientists in publishing their research works. And that's it for our video. Please watch our next video about the 5 advanced application of computer in pharmacy. And also, don't forget to like, share, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. To my students, huwag niyo muna i-exit. Mag-comment down kayo below kung ano sa tingin nyo yung nagustuhan yung common application ng computer in pharmacy. Thank you. And that's it guys. See you on our next class.